Is being an electrician in Yemen well paid? The average salary of electrician in Yemen is $550 a year. That works out to $480 after tax, which leaves you with roughly $40 every month in take-home pay. While that is the average electrician salary in Yemen, people working in Sanaa usually bring home $570 after tax. On top of that, workers in smaller towns earn noticeably less, but lower local prices often offset that difference. If you are just starting out, your initial electrician income stays well below the national average. Pay rises as you gain experience, though it soon plateaus unless you take on a supervisory role. Having a university degree is not usually required for this job, but getting higher qualifications helps you earn more. It also opens doors if you want to advance into a project engineer or maintenance manager position. Finally, small local shops pay the lowest wages, whereas international companies offer substantially higher pay because they have bigger budgets.